Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload I have the hiccups when I upload every other week. So today's vlog, I'm gonna do fun math questions. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm just gonna read the questions and then we find the answers. Okay, so let's pause and get started. Okay, if one equal, 1 equals 3, 2 equals 3, 3 equals 5, 4 equals 4, 5 equals 4, then 6 equals question mark. The answer will be 3. Okay, so if you guys get the theory, it's basically showing you they put two numbers and then they put the equal sign in the middle. Okay, guys, don't mind if I'm doing that. I have a hiccups. Okay, all right. The next one. What is the number of the parking space covered by the car? 16, 06, 86, 88, and then the car is parking, and then 98. The answer is 87. Okay. The next question. Replace the question mark in the above problem with the approachable number. So the number is 9, 1, 5, 4, 8, 3, 2, question mark, and then 7. So the answer is 6. Okay. I might not do this as a long video because these hiccups are gonna interrupt me too much. Okay. The next one. Which number is equalized to 3 and then slash 4 divided by 2 and then has a 2 at the end? The question is, the problem comes straight from a standardness test given in New York in 2014. The answer is 9. Okay. All right. The next question. There are 49 dogs signed up for a dog show. There are 36 more small dogs than a large dog. How many dogs have signed up to compete? This question comes directly from a second grader math homework. So if it's 49, the answer would be 42.5. That also means 49 dogs came in total because they added the 5 together. Okay. All right. I'm so sorry, guys. I have the hiccups. And the answer they put now. Add 8.563 and 4.8292. The answer, is 13.3922. So basically talked about how do you add that number to that one and it gives you the answer. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna probably do one more because I'm trying and I'm having the hiccups, and I don't know how this video is going to be. Okay, I am the next one. I am an odd number. Take away one letter and I become even. What number am I? 7, take away the S, and it becomes even 7. Okay, so guys, the reason why I'm reading these because they called fun math questions. So if you guys are interested, I'll put like the website in the description, because I was checking this like last night when I was filming the movie video. Not last, I think it was last time, the night before, or day before, I was checking it out. And I said, you know what, I want to do something fun, like math. So it could be more like educational, and you might get that. So if you're interested, I'll put the website in the description so you guys can probably do this with your family, or you could try it with a friend, whatever you want to do. Okay. I'm gonna do one more. It it goes up to 30, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it because of the hiccups. Okay. And I'm sure I'm not feeling well in my stomach. I wanna just do what I can. So let's just do one more. Using only an addition. How do you add 8 and you get the number 1,000? 10,000. 1,000. 80, 888 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 gives about 10,000. So if you were doing like a math problem, you can use number to add and you get that number. So I never know. Okay. Alright, so let's pause. So other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think. I'm sorry I didn't really do all the way to 30. These hiccups are very bothering me a lot, and I barely can't even talk. If you like more funny questions like this, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, if you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.